Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to create an easy everyday eye look like the one I'm rocking right now. Especially for a trans person, we really want to bring out our eyes. Most of us have really deep set eyes, and the importance of highlighting is to open up our eyes. Okay, I've already started off with my skincare and complexion on. I'm gonna go right in with a concealer. Today I'm using Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, and I'm gonna use this in place of an eyeshadow primer. This is really gonna even out our eyelid. You really don't need a lot. I like to just blend it out with my finger to warm that product and get it tacky. And I like to use my ring finger because it applies less pressure on your eye. And I'm gonna repeat the same steps on my other eye. Now that we have that really nice canvas, I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow using the Urban Decay Naked Basics 2 palette. The first color I'm gonna grab in the palette is a skin tone color. Very important that you immediately set your eyeshadow base. And this is brush number 14. It's a flat eyeshadow brush. Pack this all over the eye, from your lid all the way up to your brow bone. The Naked Basics palette is really great, especially if you're just a beginner with makeup. Okay, now my base eyeshadow color is on. I'm gonna be moving on to highlighting my brow bone. And this is gonna be the Fenty Beauty highlighter and the color Mean Money Hustla Baby. You don't wanna saturate it too much. Apply it right underneath my brow bone. Highlighting your brow bone is super important, especially for the trans community, because it's really gonna make our eyes pop a little bit more. And this is a universal highlighter. Anybody, any skin tone can use this. Okay, so now that our brow bone is popping, we are now gonna move on to our crease. It's where your eye folds right above it. And this is brush number 19. Taking this middle shade from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, and we're just gonna pop it right in there. Windshield wiper motions, that's what I call it, going back and forth on your eye. And then we're gonna slowly start to buff in little circles. And this is just gonna make everything look super airbrushed and really pretty. We're gonna grab a little bit more, and this time concentrate it on the outer corner. I really want a sultry eye, and keep blending. That's my biggest tip, blend, blend, blend. And there we go, we have a nice transitional color right there. Do the same thing on the other eye. Make sure that your eyes are as symmetrical as possible. This is how you start every smoky eye, with just the base color, because if you try and add black right away, it's gonna look very harsh. And I am using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. It is a brush applicator, which means it's gonna bend to the shape of your eye. If you don't feel comfortable using a liquid, feel free to use a pencil or a gel. You never wanna look straight ahead, because if you do, you're gonna end up with eyeliner all over your lid. You look down at a mirror so you can see how much space you actually have to do your liner. And I like to start in my inner corner, whatever feels more comfortable to you. It's almost like stamping, and then connecting the dots. And you always want your liner to be a little thicker on the outside of your eye. This is really gonna open up your eye. Perfect. I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eye. And if you mess up, just grab a Q-tip, wipe it off, and fix it. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take your eyeliner to the next level by creating a winged eyeliner. You always wanna follow your bottom lash line and use that as a guideline. Now, if you were going out for a night look, you can definitely feel free to take it out as far as you want. And then from there, I like to connect that line down to the rest of my liner. And this is what you should have at the moment. You're gonna have some empty space right here, and all you're gonna do is just fill in. It's that easy. So for your eyeliner, when you're taking it down, you want to take it all the way to the center of the eye. Stop right here. So the thickest part of your eyeliner should be right out here, and you want to continue to keep it very thin in your inner corner. You always want to follow your bottom lash line. This is really going to ensure that you have symmetrical wings on both sides. And there you go. I'm going to work a little bit on my bottom lash line, moving back to my Naked Basics palette along with brush number 14. Using the color that I used on my crease, and we're going to just smudge this out with the flat brush right underneath my eye. And I feel this is especially important for trans people. We really want our eyes to pop. And to really open up my eye, I'm now gonna go in with my Tarte Fake Awake eyeliner pencil. This goes inside your waterline. This is a beautiful skin tone eyeliner pencil. This step used to freak me out, and now I could just honestly do it in my sleep. I'm gonna do the same exact steps on my other eye. Now, eyelashes make everything come together. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes using the Sephora collection eyelash curler. You always want to start at the root of the lash, start crimping there, slowly let it go. And you see my movement, I'm almost going straight up. And same thing with this eye. We're gonna start at the base of the lash, and you're slowly crimping out. And now we're gonna go in with mascara. I am using Benefit BADGAL Bang. I have been obsessed with this mascara. It gives you so much volume and so much length. You're just gonna wiggle the brush against your lashes and then take it straight up. And then on your outer corner, take the tip of the wand and just go straight out. Same thing with the bottom lashes. Apply a little bit down here. And you guys can already see the difference mascara makes on the eye. If for some reason you do get mascara on your eyelid, don't even worry about it. You guys can always grab a little Q-tip and just clean it right off. Just put a little water on it. And I like to use very short strokes on my bottom lashes. And there you have it, really, really easy everyday eye look, something that you guys can achieve in less than 20 minutes. Check out our newest classes for confidence, Bold Beauty, for the transgender community across Sephora's in the US. Visit Sephora.com and search for Bold Beauty classes for a Sephora near you. If you want to learn more, check out our 2 other videos for the Bold Beauty series, skincare and contour. And I love this lipstick. This is the Sephora Collection lipstick in the color Fearless. $10 for every lipstick purchased goes to Sephora stands and classes like these. Thanks for watching. I really hope that I've inspired you to try this look. For more info, click on the link below. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below and subscribe to Sephora's YouTube channel.